It's not the bird sanctuary, but it's a nice way to start the day to watch a flock of herons grazing in a rice paddy. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we're going to take a bike tour through and around the village of Tam Coc, Vietnam, which will include visiting a bird sanctuary as well as a local mountain. And no, it won't include the out of tune karaoke. Halt! Tundra vegetation. Surprisingly works out here.
Say, this torpedo tube is...
Still haven't reached the sanctuary, though it is encouraging to see a second flock of birds, those geese. The pink water lilies give a nice splash of color on what is otherwise an overcast day. Tight squeeze. Job well done. Ugly Vietnam truck meets beautiful pink water lilies. Thung Nham? Okay, so he has confirmed it. We are going in that direction for the Thung Nham Bird Sanctuary. Borders on budgets. Always trying to game the system. Okay, 100,000 dong to enter the Thung Nham Bird Sanctuary, $5. The bicycle rental from the hostel was on the economical side, only 40,000 dong, or about $2. Of course, the bike doesn't come with gears. Ugh. Okay, I was told it was a bird sanctuary. They call it a bird park.
I live travel in NInh Binh. Live in NInh Binh.
You live in NInh Binh?
Yeah.
Okay, NInh Binh is the next city over from the village of Tam Coc, and it looks like here in Thung Nham it is well laid out.
Welcome to NInh Binh.
A buffalo at the bird park. And I think that white guy, that's an egret. You can never have enough of your park's admission going towards safety and maintenance. A host of happy herons. It's been counted, there are over 40 species of birds at Thung Nham, and that includes over 50,000 individuals. While I would love to stay in the park, time is a factor this afternoon. So we're going to pick up this story back in Tam Coc, 7 kilometers away. But in the meantime, here's the parting shot from Thung Nham. Another short bicycle ride from Tam Coc is the area known as Chang'an that recently has been given the designation as a United Nations World Heritage Site. Now, usually with such a designation, prices rise almost exponentially because it does become a tourist attraction. However, here in Tam Kok, prices have remained low. And for example, my hostel is about $5 a night. And this lunch of a vegetable and tofu burger, 30,000 dong, or about $1.50. Surrounding Tam Kok are the limestone mountains and the emerald green waters. And these pedal rides are also offered in Chang'an, that designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. And yes, those mountains are accessible from Tam Kok, and they will be the goal for a late afternoon hike to oversee the village and the sunset, even though, yeah, today there ain't gonna be no sunsets.
Hello.
Oof. Google Maps says this is a road. Well, nothing like an invigorating 500 steps up to end the day, emphasizing up because, of course, 500 steps also means 500 coming down. Are tourists that starved for souvenirs at Mua Cave? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nui Ngoa Long, the Lying Dragon Mountain, not to be confused with Nui Hamrong, which is the Dragon Jaw Mountain in Sapa. I feel if I just hang out by the entrance of Nui Ngoa Long, I've got my story without having to bother for the viewpoint. 37, 38, 39. Oh.
Keep going, man, keep going. Because the sun goes down and after you don't see so quickly, man. Quickly.
All right, I will take his advice, and even though there isn't going to be a sunset, yeah, time is a burning.
Yeah, for sure. So go, man.
I've lost count. Ah, yes, the quaintness of rural and traditional Vietnam, coupled with a love for Red Sox Nation. Let it be said, I am not encouraging this, nor did I egg them on. I'm only filming this for insurance purposes. Yes, what a great view from atop Mua Cave, except this isn't the top of Mua Cave. It's the Lying Dragon is up there. They've switched positions. Well, made it to the crest of the Lying Dragon Mountain. The view hasn't changed. I'm just more out of breath. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. From atop Lying Dragon Mountain outside of Tam Kok, Vietnam, thank you very much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Which one means avalanche? I've come prepared. Sounds like a rain or an ominous forest sound, but that's just a bamboo tree. Say, did you like this episode? Great. help Borders on Budgets grow. Hit the subscribe button below. Watch the video that I've also now just uplinked right now. And don't forget to share this story and Borders on Budgets with your friends. Thank you very much.